In this video, I will show you how you can get your Amazon returns data and how you can analyze it. We'll be talking about the reports API from Amazon Selling Partner API, and we'll be talking about this data, meaning the returns per SKU per day with the reasons, how you can access it, how you can analyze it. So let's dive to it. So first of all, let's go here to Amazon developer documentation. So we are here in the reports API with the report type values returns reports. And we got the flat file returns report by return date. This is the report type value, get flat file returns data by return date. Here we got the roles that you need in order to access it. When you are setting up your developer profile, pretty much those are the roles. And regarding overall the reports API, I just want to mention that we've covered the whole tutorial here on how to do it using Python as your programming language, but additionally we also created the whole Amazon SPAPI course with various categories from Amazon Selling Partner API with coding examples and also Postman examples. So if you don't want to code and you just want to use Postman, you can also do that. So here's the video where we go through the documentation, set up the Python environment, go for the reports API, and then write the whole script, all live coding. Now let's jump back to the documentation. So here we get the report output type. So that's tab delimited flat file. I would say it's not really handy when it comes to getting this file as you need to format it. And here it contains detailed returns information, including return request date, RMI ID, label details, ASIN, and return reason code. We have the list of report attributes, so order ID, order date, and much more information. So in the old way, this is how you do it, or like in a raw format, right? You would have to write the script, request the report, wait for it that proceed, and then get the data, parse the data, and then put it to your system, whether it's CSV, Google Sheets, or your Power BI tool. There are endless tools that you can actually put this data to. Now, I want to tell you how you can do it in a very easy way using the newest AI tool called DataDoe. So DataDoe is pretty much ChatGPT, but for Amazon sellers, where you connect your both Amazon Selling Partner account and advertisement account, create a pair, which is a context, and then you can ask it anything. So for example, when it comes to this returns, if you just want to request them, there's no need to programming language or Postman to get the raw data, but you can actually use your natural language and just ask for it. Let's start with the first prompt. Hey DataDoe, show me all returns by ASIN in the last 60 days with the reasons why they returned. Now, bam. All right, and we got this returns by ASIN and reason last 60 days. This is the very quick report here that DataDoe prepared for us. We have child ASIN, return count, Amazon return reason, total refund amount. And now I just want to show you that you can actually generate this report in a Seller Central. Here we have the dates, and here we got it back. So pretty much it's one-to-one, and now there's no need to actually generating this report. You can just ask DataDoe. It has all of your information live, so you can ask it anything. If you want more information, you can ask it also that show me all returns by ASIN in the last 60 days with reason why they return and costs. Here's different format how DataDoe return it. So we have summary of returns with the reasons, with the total refund, and we can actually analyze it and comment on this. So if you want to get a little bit deeper, you can make a follow-up prompt. And here we got the analysis. So we get the overview, total returned orders, total refund amount, number of distinct return reasons. We got everything here. So missed estimated delivery. We got those ASINs affected. So it's pretty much 60% of our returns. We got quality problems here, and we got unwanted items. And when the item is unwanted, pretty much there's not really a return refounded. We got some recommendations and next steps. So to summarize, what sellers care the most when it comes to those information from this report are the top metrics: number of returns per ASIN per day, return rate by SKU, top return reasons, and returns by fulfillment channel, so FBA or FBM. Now, the great thing about this new interface is that you can just use your natural language without having any analytical knowledge, any programming knowledge, right? If you are very bad in the Excel, you can just ask for your data literally. So for example, which ASINs had the highest return rate in the last 100 days? All right, and we got the quick report from our AI assistant. So top performing ASINs by return rate. So we have those two ASINs that had the highest return rate, each at 20%. We got a little bit more information and key takeaways. So like those two ASINs are the highest returns rates that should be prioritized for the review, right? So I feel like this is a great information, especially if you have a huge amount of returns. You can pretty much analyze it using DataDoe, brainstorm a little bit with it, use it as your assistant. If you want to get a quick dashboard report, send it to your team. You can just ask it, and yeah, this tool will just give you this nice, beautiful dashboard you can send over. I feel like Amazon returns, this is one of the most oversight insights that Amazon sellers have. And this metric literally tells you what's broken and how you can improve to sell more on Amazon. In the past, this was a very heavy process to actually get it. I mean, you had to request it in the Seller Central, or you had to build a whole infrastructure to get it, and periodically, for example, once a week, and analyze it. Now you can actually just ask for it. You can actually schedule the prompt to send you the email every week if you want. There's endless possibilities with DataDoe. So if you're interested in using this, go to datadoe.com. We are actually launching this tool, so we can't be more excited to have you on board. Please like and subscribe to this video. Let me know what you'd be interested in, because we are building DataDoe in the public, so any feedback is very useful for us and we want to build it for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.